There is no denying that during a pandemic, everything will change. And landing for a new work during this uncertain time may feel like a lot. Know that you are not alone and that there are resources in place to support you. We are also here to help you and guide you to get started. Here are the 3 effective tips to prepare yourself for a job hunt during pandemic. Update your online presence. Higher percentage of actively hiring employers will look you up and check out your online presence. Use this to your advantage to both help employers find you and to put your best foot forward. Take some time to review and update. LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the #1 online resource for job seekers. Complete your profile so employers and recruiters can find you. Social media. Now is a good time to scrub your social media of anything you wouldn't want an employer to see, or to set those accounts to private if you can. Professional or portfolio website. Build a professional website highlighting your portfolio, professional history, and an about page where employers can learn more about you personally. Many web building services are discounted during COVID-19. Expand your knowledge and skill set. Take this time to learn new skills. It will help you keep your resume sharp and give you something to point to during interviews to show you are motivated and eager to learn. There are plenty of places offering free and discounted online classes at the moment. Sign up for a course that could boost your resume and make you stand out from the growing pool of candidates. Here are a few platforms offering courses: Coursera, edX, Udemy, Pluralsight, Microsoft Tutorials, Code Academy, and LinkedIn Learning. Research potential employers in active hiring mode. There are some industries that are ramping up hiring. Do your research to see which companies are hiring, the skill sets they are looking for, and how your experience can transfer to meet their needs. Get in touch with their recruitment team. Know their current economic status, the latest news about them so that you will be more confident that you are entering a more stable company. Bonus tip: learn to sell yourself. When it comes to pitching yourself to potential employers, focus on your adaptability and confidence. Manage your expectations. Try to be patient with yourself and employers. This is a tough time for us all, and companies are experiencing challenges, undergoing so much change in a short time. Recognize that process will go slower than usual, given that companies are trying to adapt to our new normal.